how to sell artisanal food on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's just choose one of these products to check it and to show you an example of what you are going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this product for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page exactly like this one for your own products, how to add the pictures of your product. As much pictures as you have, there is no problem. I will show you how to add the pictures of the product, how to set the price of your product, how to add the options if you have any, how to add the product details, if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, the color, style, if it's recycled or not. I'm going to show you all of that in today's video. And also I'm going to show you how to enter the description of your product. And the last thing is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this page and let's go back to the first page. Go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, and then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here we have to go through 6 steps in order to do that. And the first step is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So for me, I'm going to choose this name, remove the spaces between words. And as you can see, the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the pictures and the details about the product, first let's click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of the product. Then comes the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields. And the last thing is the shipping. And the same as well in here, you will need to fill all of these read fields. So let's start by explaining the first field for you. So guys, in photos, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then for the listing details, here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here enter the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here for the category, just type your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. I'm going to choose the first category. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's choose black or blue. Secondary color, let's go with brown. The sustainability, you have three elements to choose. I'm going to choose them all: organic, plastic, and vegan. Then we have, let's remove vegan, we don't need that. Then we have the occasion, you can choose one in here. Then for the renewal options, you have 2 options: the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or the manual, which is free. I prefer the manual. Then for the type, if it's a physical product, you choose physical. If it's digital, you choose digital. And for the description, in order guys to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the price. So here you enter the price of your product, like this for example. Then you move on to the shipping, and in here, as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these red fields, like this for example. For the processing time, let's say it takes 5 to 7 days, and you do the same with these other fields. And the last thing is the returns and exchanges policy. You can choose or apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one, or you can even create your own policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.